Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Just adjusting the camera angle there, and it's very relevant that I do that. The title for today's video is the Logitech C270 HD Webcam review. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. If you've not subscribed already, hi everyone. Recently I needed to purchase a USB webcam because the internal webcams on my MacBook Pro and my other laptop, a Dell laptop, had stopped working. So I needed a USB solution. I did some searching online and I found the Logitech C270. I should say at this stage, this is not a sponsored review. This is not I'm not an affiliate partner for Logitech at all. This is just a review of a product that is affordable, and I think it might be useful for many of you out there. Okay, so if you were to purchase the C270 webcam, let me show you the box. Here's the box. I can't show you the camera in detail now because I'm using it to record this video, and I've used it to record lots of videos recently. But let me just talk about some of the benefits so that it will be better. You can understand how to use the camera and why I purchased it. Okay, so first of all, the Logitech C270 HD Webcam. Once you've purchased it, and in the UK it's £25.99, I'll put on screen the equivalent price in dollars, so you know how much it is in dollars. You will need to download the driver software, and you can do that from this page, and the link to this page will be in the description as usual. So let's go back to the webcam page. Let me talk about some of the benefits of the webcam. So let's go back here. First of all, it's affordable. So $25.99 is very accessible in terms of the price. The quality and the standard is that it's HD and it's 720p and it shoots at 30 frames per second. This is good. It's very easy to use. Once you've downloaded drivers, you just need to plug it into your USB port and you can start recording, as I'm doing now. So I'm using it now. I'm just going to change the angle of it so you can see there's how easy it is to alter. That clips onto the top of your laptop or your desktop if you're using a desktop, and it's very, very easy to use. You get a nice yellow, a nice green light when it's on and it's recording as it is now. In addition to being affordable and the technical spec being 720p 30 frames per second, as I said, very easy to use. Once you're set up, you can then use it for, we're all staying in more, so you can use it for Zoom calls, Skype calls, FaceTime, Google Meet, for WhatsApp as well, and YouTube Live. I've found that as a content creator that uses video and wants to do a lot of tutorials, and a lot of tutorials on my YouTube page, as you've seen, this is something that helps you connect with your audience. So it's very useful in that respect. Now, once you've got it plugged in and play, you can change the angle. I'm changing the angle. And I can use it using this. I use some other software to record my screen. So I'm recording my screen at the moment. This is obviously the Logitech page. This is the downloads for the driver support, so that you'll need that page. And I'm recording my screen. So it's my recommendation that you have a look at the C270. If you need an external USB webcam, then this is the one that I recommend, and I've been using it now for the last 2 or 3 months, and it's been very effective. I hope this short review has been useful to you. I'm going to point you in the direction of some of my recent videos, and every time that you see me in the corner now, every time you see me in the corner for the last few months of videos, I've been recording using this Logitech C270 HD webcam. Quite a lot of words to say. Let's just call it the Logitech C270. And I found it to be very useful and very productive, and it's helped me with my video creation. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this short review, give me a like. click on, if you've not subscribed already, click on one and two screenshots to watch another video, and I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, bye bye. If you've not subscribed already,